Have you ever wondered what happens if you eat fennel seeds daily? These tiny fragrant seeds are more than just a spice. Originating from the Mediterranean, fennel seeds have journeyed across continents to find their place in kitchens worldwide. Fennel seeds, or saunf, as they're known in some parts of the world, are a staple in many cuisines, adding a sweet, licorice-like flavor to dishes. But the use of fennel seeds isn't limited to culinary arts. In traditional medicine, these seeds have been used for centuries to address a myriad of health concerns, from digestive ailments to respiratory issues. So it's safe to say, there's more to these seeds than meets the eye. Now the question arises, what happens when you bring these aromatic seeds into your daily diet? Does it bring a dash of health along with the flavor? Let's delve into the details. Stay tuned as we uncover the fascinating world of fennel seeds. To understand the benefits of fennel seeds, it's essential to know their nutritional content. Fennel seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with dietary fiber, making them excellent for digestive health. A single tablespoon of these flavorful seeds provides a good chunk of your daily fiber needs. Fiber not only aids digestion but also helps in maintaining a healthy weight and lowering the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Fennel seeds are also teeming with minerals. They're a fantastic source of iron, calcium, and magnesium. Iron is crucial for the production of red blood cells, while calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. Magnesium, on the other hand, plays a critical role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including nerve and muscle function, keeping your heartbeat steady, and supporting a healthy immune system. Then there's the vitamin content. Fennel seeds contain vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body against damage from free radicals. They also have vitamin A, which is vital for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. But wait, there's more. Fennel seeds also boast a unique mix of phytonutrients including flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These natural chemicals have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-carcinogenic properties, playing a significant role in disease prevention. And let's not forget about the essential oils found in fennel seeds. Anethole, for example, is a compound that imparts a sweet, anise-like aroma to the seeds. Beyond its sensory appeal, anethole has been studied for its potential anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. So we see that fennel seeds are not just flavorful additions to your culinary adventures, they're a veritable treasure trove of nutrients that contribute to overall health and wellness. With such a robust nutritional profile, it's no wonder fennel seeds come with a host of health benefits. So, what are these health benefits we're talking about? Let's dive right in. Firstly, fennel seeds are a powerhouse for aiding digestion. They are packed with dietary fiber, which helps to bulk up our food as it moves through the digestive tract, ensuring optimal absorption of nutrients. But that's not all. Fennel seeds contain anethole, a compound that has been shown to reduce inflammation in the stomach lining and prevent the formation of ulcers. So not only do they help your food go down easier, but they also keep your stomach healthy and happy. Now let's talk about water retention. Ever felt bloated or swollen after a big meal or a salty snack? Fennel seeds could be your new best friend. They are a natural diuretic, promoting the removal of excess water and salts from the body. This not only helps to reduce bloating but also aids in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. So next time you're feeling a bit puffy, consider brewing a cup of fennel tea. Moving on, we come to an unexpected benefit of fennel seeds: promoting eye health. Fennel seeds are rich in vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from age-related degeneration. They also contain a good amount of vitamin C, which aids in the absorption of other nutrients and boosts overall eye health. Furthermore, fennel seeds are a source of essential minerals like copper, which plays a significant role in the production of red blood cells that supply oxygen to the eyes. So, incorporating fennel seeds into your diet could very well help keep your vision sharp and clear. But the benefits don't stop there. Fennel seeds also have antimicrobial properties. They contain a variety of essential oils and flavonoids that can help to fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. This can be especially beneficial for maintaining oral health, as chewing on fennel seeds can freshen breath and promote a healthy gum line. Moreover, fennel seeds support heart health. They are a good source of potassium, a key player in maintaining a healthy heart rate and blood pressure. In addition, the fiber content in fennel seeds helps to balance cholesterol levels, further contributing to heart health. Finally, let's not forget the calming effect of fennel seeds. They are known to have a soothing effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety and promote a good night's sleep. So if you're feeling stressed, a cup of fennel tea might just be the remedy you need. As you can see, fennel seeds can play a significant role in maintaining and improving our health. They offer a myriad of benefits, from aiding digestion and reducing water retention, to promoting eye health and even calming the nerves. So, the next time you're at the store, you might want to add some fennel seeds to your shopping list. Now that you know about the benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate fennel seeds into your diet. Well, the beauty of fennel seeds is their versatility. They can be easily added to a variety of dishes and recipes, making it a breeze to enjoy their nutritional benefits. Let's start with the simplest way, sprinkling them raw onto your dishes. From salads to soups, a light sprinkling of these aromatic seeds can add a delightful burst of flavor. And the best part? You're also getting a dose of fiber, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds with each bite. So, the next time you whip up a salad, add a sprinkle of fennel seeds for a flavor and health boost. Next, let's talk about using fennel seeds in cooking. They're a common ingredient in many cuisines around the world, especially in Italian and Indian dishes. In Italian cuisine, fennel seeds are often used in sausages and meatballs for a sweet anise-like flavor. In Indian cuisine, they're a staple in curries and rice dishes, and are even used in sweets. So why not try adding a spoonful of fennel seeds the next time you're making spaghetti sauce or curry? You'll be surprised at the depth of flavor they add. Don't forget about beverages. Fennel seeds can be steeped into a soothing tea. Just add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to a cup of boiling water, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain. This tea can be a calming bedtime drink, and it's also a great way to soothe digestive issues. And lastly, fennel seeds can be used as a breath freshener. In many Indian restaurants, you'll often find a bowl of sugar-coated fennel seeds at the exit. They are eaten after meals to freshen the breath and aid digestion. So, keep a small jar of fennel seeds with you, and have a handful after meals for fresh breath and a happy stomach. Incorporating fennel seeds into your daily diet can be as simple as sprinkling them on your salad, or steeping them into a soothing tea. So why not give these tips a try and see how fennel seeds can enhance your meals and your health? In conclusion, consuming fennel seeds daily can offer a wealth of health benefits. Let's take a quick look back at what we've learned today. These small, flavorful seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are packed with dietary fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins that are essential for health. The fennel seeds are particularly rich in manganese, which is a vital nutrient for maintaining strong bones and a healthy metabolism. They also contain a good amount of calcium, iron, and magnesium, contributing to the overall wellness of the body. We've also discussed the numerous health benefits of fennel seeds. From aiding digestion and reducing water retention to fighting bad breath and improving eye health, these seeds are truly versatile. They can even help regulate blood pressure, reduce asthma symptoms, and support weight loss. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that fennel seeds have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But how can you incorporate these seeds into your daily routine? It's easier than you might think. You can chew on a spoonful of fennel seeds after meals to aid digestion and freshen your breath. Alternatively, you can add them to your dishes for an extra burst of flavor. They can be used in salads, soups, stews, and even desserts. And let's not forget fennel tea, a soothing brew that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. By making these small changes to your diet, you can reap the benefits of fennel seeds and boost your overall health. It's a simple, natural, and delicious way to take care of your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Also, check out our other videos for more information on how to improve your health and well-being.